Good morning. I apologize for the lighting. I know it sucks. I am headed to meet up with the guys to all rally up in one truck and head on up to South Dakota as of right now. It is 2:14 a.m. We are planning to leave the parking lot of Maysville Baptist Church at 3 a.m. I want to thank Maysville Baptist Church for this opportunity. It's a hunt that they sponsored and I won, going up to South Dakota for a week, doing some upland pheasant and grouse hunting. I'm not going to hold you up too much at the beginning of this video. There's going to be multiple videos for this trip, so it's going to be all broken up. Either way, I don't want to make it too long, so I will catch you once the sun comes up and we're in Tennessee or something. Who knows? Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we have made it somewhere in Iowa. I don't know, we're at a Casey's with a big field next to it. That's about it. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be stopping at a hotel for the night and finishing off the rest 5 hours or so tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. We made it, we're in the hotel now. I'm gonna hop in the shower, get ready for bed, hit the hay, and I will catch y'all in the morning. Good morning. It is the next day. We are about to leave the hotel here. I almost said the airport. We're about to leave the hotel here in Minnesota, hit the road. Y'all stay tuned. We have finally made it to the hotel room. It's been a 24-hour drive, roughly, with staying in a hotel in Minnesota last night. I'm not going to bore y'all with any more details. The next clip is going to roll for tomorrow, and we are going to be shooting some birds. Stay tuned. Rooster! Right there, Rooster! Rooster! Good shot! That's a dead bird.
Both y'all shot, didn't you? Yeah. Somebody hit him!
We have made it to the third field. We have knocked down 15 birds at this point. Got some pretty good GoPro footage. One of them's dead. I'm up to the next one now. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna bring you a good hunt. Rooster! Rooster! Hen! Rooster! 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 Got him! right, so that's going to be the end of day one. We ended up with 31 birds. We had 17 people. Our limit would be 51. We tried and tried all day long, and we could not make the limit. It was a great day nonetheless. I've got a lot of editing to do tonight. I'm about to go on down to Bible study and then finish up the night doing all this editing. So I appreciate it, y'all, and y'all come back for day two.